Meanwhile, Renault has reported a net loss of €3.1 billion, the company's first annual loss in 13 years. France's second largest car maker is forecasting a 10% contraction in the European auto market this year. Speaking exclusively to CNBC, Renault says its focus for 2010 will be on generating positive free cash flow.
We think in terms of market share, we should be able to outperform the market. That means we are seeing a growth in market share for a very simple reason, is that our product lineup has been renewed massively in 2008, 2009. So we're going to be competing with a very fresh lineup, which from the first reaction from customers is very successful. The second reason is I think we've done the job in 2009 into putting our working capital under control. Our inventory level is sound, the level of investments is very low. We continue to reduce our cost. So I think we've done our basic job in order to be able to generate another year of positive free cash flow.
And shares in Alcatel-Lucent ended the week lower in Paris after the telecoms giant posted a larger than expected loss in 2009. Despite returning to profit in the fourth quarter after 13 quarters of losses, the company did cut its 2010 operating margin target. Now, also speaking exclusively to CNBC, the CEO of that business, Ben Verwaayen, gave us his outlook for the year ahead.
What we have said to the market is, although we had great input in 2009 to create a kind of platform for 2010, and we had a very strong order intake in Q4, we are somewhat cautious.
Now, the French drug maker Sanofi-Aventis has also beaten forecasts with a 10% rise in fourth quarter net profits. Key drugs and vaccines have all helped boost sales. However, the company is still planning cost savings in order to generate €2 billion by 2013. We spoke to the CEO of Sanofi-Aventis, Viebacher, and asked him how the cancellation of swine flu vaccines had affected the company.
We will end up selling all of the H1N1 vaccine that we were able to make. We were always very prudent about that. It's a one-off revenue. So actually, our sales in 2009 were in line with our expectations, and we would expect to sell roughly the same amount in 2010.